Okay, I'm here now at the Equigas booth. I got Rafael Ravelo. He is the president and CEO of Equigas, and third generation, newly hired, officially, Nico has joined the team in the Southeast as the sales manager in the Southeast. So that's exciting. First, we'll start with this. Raf, congratulations. Just had an acquisition, Correct Cryogenics. Talk about that acquisition and what that means for Equigas.
Thank you, Tim. It made sense. In 2022, state with most sales was California, and then in 2023 was the second state with most sales. So we definitely had to have a presence in California. And Correct Cryogenics, it's a family-owned business as well, and they have the same principles that we have in Equigas. We take care of our employees as family, and it was an easy decision to make. And plus, they offer a great variety of services, and we're happy and excited.
It's awesome. I was happy to see that too. I was proud of you, Raf, man. You're doing good things in a short amount of time. So let's talk about the new facility. Last time we saw you in Hawaii, you had just announced the new facility. Right. Talk us through that and where you guys are at in the process of that transition.
Well, we're fully moved. The new building is 3.5 times larger. And now the building that we have in California is the same size that the new building in North Carolina. So yeah, it is a rapid growth, and I guess we've been blessed with our customers and of course the team. The Equigas team, they work hard, they're very committed to the brand, to the family, and same as the team of Correct Cryogenics.
It's awesome. All right, Nico, what's it mean to work with your dad, and what's it mean to work in this industry as the third generation?
So it's really no different. I mean, I've been coming to these events since I was 16. Now I just officially get paid for it. So I've been coming to these forever, so it feels like home. It's really no different.
It's awesome. And
he's not the
forever intern.
The forever intern.
I see. Was it always the plan to join the company, or were you thinking about other things?
Well, so I went to work for a logistics company for about 6 months, and then my dad sent me a selfie of him in Maui. And I was at my desk job, and I was like, well, I think it's time.
All right, that's fair. Awesome. And all right, Raf, you got a lot of stuff here. Pick one thing and tell us about it. What do you think?
Well, this valve right here is the best cryogenic valve in the world. Why? Because one, it is made in US. Two, it's a conical sheet. So because it's conical, there's not much restriction, so have a better CV. It's light. The hand wheel, it's ergonomic and stronger than any other. Common sense. Look at the hand wheel and look at the other hand wheels. The other thing is the CPV master valve. This valve is easy to turn up to pressures up to 7,800 psi in inert gases, or 6,000 psi with oxygen. And guess what? It's also made in US. That would be it.
All right, there you go. Quick update here from Equigas. Good to see you guys always, as well as the other team members. They're always here in strength. So thank you for everything. And what's the tagline, Raf? Give it to us one time.
We answer the phone and we ship the same day.
All right, that's it.
And this is just the beginning.
There you go. Thank you, Raf.
Thank you, Dave. Appreciate it.
Nico.
Seeing you.